Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create smooth head tracking in After Effects. So let's get started. First get your clips ready and drag them into your composition. Select your first clip and go to tracker, then click stabilize motion. Now increase the size of the tracking point and place it on the character's nose. Make sure the tracker is not too big, otherwise the tracking process may become slower and less accurate. Once everything is set up, click Analyze Forward and let After Effects track the movement. When the tracking is complete, click Apply and choose X and Y dimensions. Next, enable frame blending and motion blur for a smoother result. As you can see, black edges appear around the clip after stabilization. To fix this, add the motion tile effect. Set output width 200, output height 200, enable mirror edges. Now slightly increase the clip scale until the edges disappear. And that's it, our first clip is done. Now let's move on to the second clip. Repeat the same process, create a tracker and place it on the character's nose. Keep the tracker at a balanced size, not too big and not too small. If the tracking point drifts away from the nose, stop the analysis, reposition the tracker manually and continue tracking. Sometimes you will need to correct the tracker frame by frame for the best results, and that's completely normal. Once the tracking is finished, add motion tile again. Set output width 200, output height 200, enable mirror edges. Then turn on frame blending and motion blur and increase the scale slightly to hide any remaining edges. Now let's quickly finish the last clip using the exact same method. Track the nose, correct any tracking point if needed. Apply the tracking data, add motion tile, enable mirror edges, turn on motion blur and frame blending and scale up the clip slightly. And that's it, your smooth head tracking effect is now complete. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment about what tutorial you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.